Choo-choo.
Now just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. To our right are the Thomson Gazelles. They are more affectionately known as Tommies. They are the most common species of gazelle and are native to East Africa. They use a vertical jumping behavior called cropping to show predators that the gazelle is fit and strong and therefore hard to chase. They are also known as power nappers, taking short 5-minute naps throughout the day. Known as the one-horn rhino. Indian rhinos are the second largest species of rhino, weighing up to 4,800 pounds. They are the only species of rhino that can fully submerge underwater. They are solitary animals, and they prefer to travel alone. They have a sharp hearing and a keen sense of smell, but poor eyesight. We offer an encounter with Ceylon every day at 3 p.m. Longer legs and less webbing on their feet than Nile River Hippos do. Pygmy hippos spend more time on land and are native to swamps and forests in West Africa. When pygmy hippos sweat, they secrete a natural sunscreen that protects them from getting sunburned. Orangutans are extremely endangered species due to deforestation. To the left, you usually find our white rhinos. baby Capenzi. She was born here at the Gulf Breeze Zoo on July 24th. Rhinos are born without a horn and rely solely on their mother for protection. Their horn will start to develop after a few months. Rhino horns are made up of keratin, which is the same material as our hair and fingernails. Baby rhinos will stay with their mothers for 2 to 3 years. When they are born, they can weigh up to 143 pounds. Adults can reach up to 5,000 pounds. If you see a brown animal with white spots, that is our axis deer. Unlike our native white-tailed American deer, axis deer keep their spots their entire lives. All deer species shed their antlers annually. They are highly sociable animals, and their herds can contain 6 to 30, 2 of 3 of them being stacks. If you happen to see a tan animal with a white underbelly, that is our blackbuck. They are also known as the Indian antelope. Fully mature males possess spectacularly spiral horns and a coat that turns completely black. They can reach up to speeds of 70 miles per hour, and they can live in herds that include from 5 to 50 individuals. While out here on the preserve, you may see quite a selection of birds. If you see a gray bird with 3 toes, that is our Rhea. They are the 4th largest land bird in the world. They cannot fly, but they do have very powerful legs that allow them to reach top speeds of about 35 miles per hour. After the females lay their eggs, the males incubate them. Any white eggs on the preserve belong to our Rheas. You may also see a tall gray bird with orange eyes. That is our emu. They are native to Australia. Once the female lays her eggs, the male will sit on them for roughly 8 weeks. Although they have wings, they cannot fly, but they use them to cool themselves down with. Coming up on the left are the Nile River Hippos. Their names are Cleopatra and Kaboga. Their son Truzo was born right here at the Gulf Breeze Zoo in 2024. We offer an encounter with them every day at 12, where you can feed and learn more about these amazing animals. Female hippos give birth to a single calf in the water. Infants even nurse underwater. They nurse for 6 to 8 months and start eating grass at about 3 weeks. Nile River Hippos can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Hippos don't really swim, they walk or bounce along the bottom of their water source. Get a great look at our western lowland gorilla habitat coming up on the right. Our beautiful gorilla family includes our silverback gorilla. His mates were longer and their son developed his born in the Reserve in 2012. There is a silverback, but that is not a type of gorilla. Fiona and Cora. Dromedary camels only have one
Fiona
foot.
and
They can
Cora?
travel up to 100 miles without water. Once they find water, they can quickly guzzle down up to 6 ounces in under 15 minutes. Camels have strong bodies in their hearts. That means that fat is not Last but not least is our African Spurred Tortoise. They are native to North Africa. They are also the third largest tortoise in the world. Although we supply them with water, they rarely drink it. They get most of the water they need from the vegetation in their diet. Their name comes from the spurs on the front of their legs that help them dig holes they burrow in. And they have infused spines. When you touch their shells, they can feel it. As we pull back into the station, I'd like to thank you for riding Safari Line Limited. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Let us know what your favorite animal on the reserve is. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. And we hope you enjoy the rest of your day at the Gold Cruise Zoo.
Yeah, you would think.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed the Christmas version of Safari Line Limited. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and hope you have an awesome day.